2020 Genesis G70. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's still got factory catalytic converter on top. Then 2.5-inch pipe. I hate when they compress them like that, but they do. For clearance. Still got the resonator on it. 2.5-inch pipe. And then we did a muffler delete on it right there. As you guys can see. And installed a dual tip angle cut. Came out nice, clean. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. G70 2.0 Turbo. Here we go. Go ahead. Oh, wow. Big difference. That's surprisingly loud for what it is. Wow. Again? Imagine we take that resonator out, it'll get even louder. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 104. Go ahead and back it up. Sounds good. What do you guys think of that sound? You like it? Let you guys hear on the inside. Genesis G70 2.0 Turbo. Sounds really good. Enjoy, guys. Hope you like it.